step into the Jeep 2019 Renegade Latitude. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are quick order package 2XB included, engine 2.4 Li40 evap MAIR transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, black premium cloth bucket seats, tires, 215/60 R17 BSWS Touring, STD, transmission, 9-speed 940 ATE automatic, STD, wheels, 17 inches x 7.0 aluminum, STD, granite crystal metallic clear coat, engine, 2.4 Li40 evap MAIR, STD, front-wheel drive and power steering. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.